Is internal linking taking up too much of your time? Link Vector can help you simplify and speed up the process. In this video, you'll learn how to do precise internal link building for all the pages on your website while saving a massive amount of time using Link Vector. First, go to the All Pages listing module. We'll cover the visual map module in another video. Here, you'll see a list of all the pages on your website, which is great if you want to systematically add links for each and every page. But if you have hundreds or thousands of pages, this can be overwhelming. To take a more targeted approach, use the quick filters or create your own filters to narrow down the list and view specific pages. For example, if you want to add links to orphan pages, filter for orphan pages using this quick view filter or using the page type filter here. You can also sort these columns. For example, if you want to add internal links for the latest content you published, you can click on the published date twice. Now let's say you just published a new blog post and want to add internal links. You want to link from the new content to older content and from older content to the new content. First, click on the plus button under the action column. A window will slide in from the right, showing all the internal link suggestions. Choose Add Outgoing Links to add links from this page to other pages, like older content. Choose Add Incoming Links to link from other pages to this page. For example, updating older content to link to the new content. You'll see the target page title, URL, the sentence where the link will appear, and the anchor text underlined in blue. To apply an internal link, click Add Link. To save time, you can select multiple suggestions and add them in bulk. To see the internal links already present on the page, click on View All Included Links. This helps you make informed decisions about which new links to add without causing redundancy. You can also do internal link building for multiple pages at once. Just select the pages and click on Add Links In to selected pages. To ensure your data is accurate and up to date, check the last crawl date of your website here. If you've made changes or published new content since then, click on the Resync button to recrawl all pages. And that's how you do precise, simplified, and fast internal linking with Link Vector. If you need help, email us at hello@linkvector.io. Happy internal link building!